Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best way to keep fried foods crispy? Just place them on a cooling rack set over a baking sheet. If you're frying multiple batches, throw the whole setup into a low oven to keep everything warm as you keep frying and adding to the rack. 3 April 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When paired with all-purpose flour, cornstarch helps prevent gluten development, which makes the flour coating crispier, and absorb moisture from the frying and the chicken, which also means a crispier coating. If you already have a favorite fried chicken recipe, try replacing a quarter of the flour with cornstarch. 3 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
How do you make crispy fried chicken? I recommend using a real cast iron skillet or Dutch oven for any frying recipe. The heat conducts better, keeping a steadier oil temperature. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch to the flour to make the chicken extra crispy. Place your chicken on a cooling rack over a baking sheet. The 14th of January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bake them on a wire rack that's on a baking sheet for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Flip them and bake again about 20 to 30 more minutes. Then sauce them while hot. As good as restaurant style, or better, and no flabby ass skin. And you don't have to do breading or deal with deep frying.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.